Today we're going to go through yet another diphthong, such as diphthong UO, and so this is basically a combination of the O sound in the word boot and O in the word note, right? So you have double O and a single O. Be sure to combine these two sounds into a single sound. Note that when there's an accent or the letter U, as in duo, and the diphthong is broken and the vowels are pronounced separately. So let's again look at some examples.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the UO diphthong.
Antiguo, antiguo, antiguo,
So U is remember it's double O and plus and O, so it's O. Antigo, antigo,
antiguo, ambiguo,
ambigo,
ambiguo, fluorescente,
fluorescente. UO is here, so fluorescente.
fructuoso,
Fructuoso. UO, fructuoso,
fructuoso,
fructuoso.
luctuoso,
Luctuoso,
monstruo, monstruo, monstruo,
I'm not hearing the R, so it's monstruo, monstruo, uo, monstruo.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate.
antiguo,
Antigo,
ambiguo,
ambigo,
fluorescente,
fluorescente.
fructuoso,
Here you're hearing a U and the double O with an O, so it's more pronounced here. So fructuoso, right?
fructuoso,
Yeah.
luctuoso,
Luctuoso.
monstruo,
This is absolutely flat. Monstruo. There's no R, and in the US, like this sounds like a single O.
Listen and repeat again.
antiguo,
Antigo,
ambiguo,
ambigo,
fluorescente,
fluorescente,
fructuoso,
fructuoso,
luctuoso,
luctuoso, and last one,
monstruo,
monstruo,
monstruo.
monstruo. Alright, so this is you completing another exercise on diphthongs. Next video, we're looking at consonant X. So until then, see you next time.